Hey guys, it's Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. I have a cute little thank you gift for you. Well, thank you kindly. And some strawberry candies. I got my strawberry candies at the Dollar Tree. They're these Coastal Bay strawberry flavored hard candies. They're the hard candies with strawberry filling. You get 10 ounces for $1. So you can really make a lot of these little treats if you need to say thank you. I took 6 of them, put them bottom to bottom in the little B2XL bag from Clear Bags. These come 100 pack from clearbags.com. If you don't want to buy 100, if you just want a few, I do have some 20 packs of the bags on the Kitchen Table Stamper store, just in case you want some smaller quantities, but you're going to use them. They're a really great bag. All right, so candies are bagged. This is what we're making. You know where I got the candies. Let's get started. We're going to start with some Poppy Parade cardstock. I have a piece here, and it is 3 by 5 7/8. Let's get the Simply Score tool. I'm going to pop that in here and score on the 5 7/8 inch side at 3 3/4 and 4 1/8. Super simple, cute little treat bag here. Let's work the score lines with the bone folder. And then we're going to add our designer series paper. I have these fun black and white patterns from the hand penned designer series paper. This one is free with your $50 purchase during celebration. Very useful pack of paper. We're just going to glue those on with some multi-purpose liquid glue. That could be interesting too. Should we try it? Should we try one light, one dark on the front? All right, so we're gonna glue the small piece of designer series paper. This is 2 3/4 by 1 1/2. And we're gonna glue that on the outside of our little treat pack. And then we're gonna glue this larger piece. We're gonna glue that one on the inside. This larger piece is 2 3/4 by 3 1/2. And we're going to glue that one right down to the inside here. And we want to frame it nicely in this larger panel. All right. My candy bag has a little bit of tear and tape adhesive on the back. We're just going to center that nicely right in our designer series paper. We're going to take another small piece and add a strip to the front of our little wrapper here. Fold it up so it's got a nice square bottom. So cute. Now we just decorate. This is the easiest treat in the whole wide world and so cute. Let's stamp some strawberries to decorate. I've got some Poppy Parade and shaded spruce. I thought those colors matched the wrappers of my Dollar Tree strawberry hard candies. So that's what we're going with here. We're going for that cohesive kind of matchy. I'm gonna do 2 strawberries with the Poppy Parade stamping pad. And we want to stamp these dudes on scraps so that they're upside down. That makes them easiest to punch. Now, when I made these as a thank you gift. It was included in the Camp Wana Stamp to go class packets. So I made a lot of these little treats. We had a couple of extra of the little strawberry toppers already punched and stamped. So I'm going to use those. But we still need to do the leaf. So let's grab some shaded spruce. Got shaded spruce ink. Let's stamp a leaf. Love this color on color stamping, so beautiful. Next, I'm going to clear away the ink pads and grab my greeting. Got my greeting and some Memento Tuxedo Black. All right, by the way, the strawberries are from the Sweet Strawberry stamp set, if you haven't seen that yet. And my greeting for this one, I love this, thank you kindly. That's from this Delicate Dahlias. Delicate Dahlias is a stamp set that you can get for free during celebration with your $100 purchase. I went ahead and punched 2 pieces. Got a basic white oval, and it's kind of a squiggly oval. and a basic white smooth oval. We did that with the oval, dual oval punch. I'm gonna stamp "Thank you kindly" to the right side of our oval tag. I love the font and the greeting. Such a cute little greeting. All right, let's clear this away. Get those put together. All right, slide those to the side. Here's my little strawberry pieces. Let's punch. The strawberry builder punch. We're going to punch our strawberries. Just slide that guy right in there. Is that not just the cutest thing you ever saw? Oh my gosh, I love strawberries. And another strawberry. Last up, our shaded spruce leaf. Get that in there. And line it up. Give a punch. I love these builder punches, but they can make a lot of confetti. Let's clear away the scraps. We're gonna glue the tops to our strawberries with a little dab of multi-purpose liquid glue. If you ever get too much multi-purpose liquid glue, it's okay to just kiss the little items together and share the glue. Just a little tip so that you can stamp a little tidier. That was too much glue. Once in a while I get too much glue too. All right, we'll let those dry for a second, and let's glue the "Thank you kindly" to our squiggly oval. Just center that right up. Haha, cuties. Now we can bring our little treat back in here. We want one strawberry and one leaf glued down to the background of the package here. So we'll glue them down just like that, a little multi-purpose liquid glue. We're gonna take those and line them up. Pretty cute. Now dimensionals for the back of "Thank you kindly." I'm gonna use my black Stampin' Dimensionals. I love these things. Let's use them for this great hand pen black and white paper. I recommend them for the hand penned paper, and with the Halloween season coming up, these little black dimensionals will come in handy. When you order the black Stampin' Dimensionals, you get a combination package of regular Stampin' Dimensionals and mini Stampin' Dimensionals. How do you like that? You'll always know when the release paper is off. I'm going to put that to the right of center. And then another little bit for our berry. And we're going to need to support this far side with some Stampin' Dimensionals, but this near side we can use a little multi-purpose liquid glue. We're going to add that little guy, kind of tippy on its side, but don't cover the greeting. So cute! We're almost to the last step. The last step is some of this gorgeous black and white gingham ribbon. I love this ribbon with this free hand penned designer series paper. It's a really nice complimentary ribbon. All right, tie a bow, and let's get some ribbon scissors and mini glue dots. We'll get this guy. We're gonna just tie a bow and glue it right on. All right, there's our little cutie. All right, let's grab a little mini glue dot on the back of the knot. Pop that up at the top of our tag. Don't cover your greeting. Isn't it cute? It gives it the cutest little strawberry patch, kind of a country farmhouse look. I love it. All right, you guys, that's it. Just a cute little cutie. Super simple, quick video. Very fast treat to make. You can afford to give them to everybody you know. If you've got any questions about the project, email me, Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. To shop Stampin' Up 24/7, buzz over to marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.